Hello everyone and welcome back to Forensic Solutions. Here we are yet with another video. आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक साइबर सिक्योरिटी टूल के बारे में. So this video is on the tutorial for cyber security tool and this cyber security tool is easily available on the internet and is free of cost. The name of the tool is Nmap. So what is this tool? Nmap. Nmap is used to scan the network. With the help of Nmap, we can discover various IPs and ports and services running on those IPs in the network. Detailed information about the network can be obtained with the help of Nmap. Nmap की मदद से हम नेटवर्क को स्कैन कर सकते हैं, नेटवर्क में जितनी भी IPs है उनको डिस्कवर कर सकते हैं, उन IPs पे जितने भी पोर्ट्स है और सर्विसेज है जो रन हो रही है उन्हें हम डिस्कवर कर सकते हैं. Nmap tool is available on Linux, Windows and Mac OS. Linux OS such as Kali Linux, Parrot, etc. has Nmap pre-installed on them. No need to install Nmap externally on these OS. ZenMap is the GUI version of Nmap, that is Graphical User Interface version of Nmap, which is available for the Windows OS and is easily available on the internet. So without any further delay, we will see how to install Nmap on Windows. So now we will open our browser and here we will type Nmap. On searching Nmap, the very first link will be the Nmap link. On opening that link, we will see the various information about the Nmap tool. Further, we will see in the left column the download option is there. On clicking the download option and scrolling down, you will see a latest stable version of Nmap is available. That is Nmap setup is available. You just have to download this setup and install this setup on your computer. After successfully installing ZenMap, you will see this is how it looks. After that, you will see that there is a target field. In that target field, we can input our IP address on which we want to make the network scan. There are various types of scans available in the profile column. The scan we choose, according to that, the command will be executed. For example, now we will enter one IP address and we will scan that specific IP address. We will see various ports and services running on that IP address. After clicking the scan button, the scan will be initialized. Now we can see the scan has started and various logs are also being provided by the Nmap. Various ports are discovered with the help of Nmap. Also, it is showing all the protocol that are being executed on those ports. After that, we will see that various services are being running. We can see that. Then the detailed information about that port is also given. The service, the version of the port, etc. Then we can see there are various ports available, along with that various services and their versions are also mentioned. Then next we will see 53, 80, 111. All these ports are mentioned which are open on the IP address. Along with that, their services and versions are also mentioned. Further, the MAC address, device type, running Linux operating system and other OS details are also mentioned. Further, we will see the other details that we can find with the help of default scripts that are being run. After that, we can analyze all this with the help of another tab, that is ports and host tab, in which we will see all the ports, protocol, their state, services and the versions on those ports. Then the next tab is topology. Here we can see the topology. Then the host details about which we are scanning is also shown. First, the open ports are being shown, closed ports, scanned number of ports, all the digits are given. Also the IP address, MAC address and the various details about operating system are also given in here. Then on clicking the scans tab, we can see the history of the commands we have executed. So this is how the Nmap output looks like. Now with the help of the feature of saving this file, we can save this scan so that we can analyze this scan further for the network analysis. So with the help of that, we can save this on our desktop or any desired directory. So this was all about Nmap tool. I hope you guys have liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. As with subscribing our channel, you can watch tutorials of cyber forensics and cyber security. And if you have any queries related to Nmap, do comment down. Thank you so much.